Hey everyone, Elise with Duro Dancing here, and today we have a fun DRD choreography. It is called Stomp and Grind. It's a beginner 32 count 4-wall dance and a whole lot of fun. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe. It'll keep you updated on all the new fun dances we got going on. All right, let's get to learning. All right, we're gonna get started showing you our new dance. We're gonna turn around so you can see what our boots are doing. All right, we're gonna kick this off with a right side wizard. So with that, we're gonna take a long step on that right with 2 quicks for a left, right. Then we're gonna take that left foot, we're gonna rock, recover back on that right, do a turn into that left shoulder, landing with that weight on the right, into a coaster step with the left, or back and forward. All right, let's put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, second set of counts. Here we go. So we ended with that hip weight over the left after that coaster step. Now we're gonna grapevine to the right with a slight diagonal. So we're gonna go out, behind, out, together, and then we're gonna body roll with some step back. So we're gonna hop back with that right, collect with the left. Cool, let's go ahead and add some counts with that. Here we go, hips over the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's take it from the tippy top, first 16. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, 4, back at 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on to our third set of counts. So we just ended in that body roll position. So our hip weight's over that left. We're gonna sailor with the right. So we're gonna go back and recover. And then we're gonna sailor with the left with a quarter turn. So we're gonna sailor, recover. Now we're facing a new wall. We're gonna take that right foot. We're gonna stomp it out, hold the count, and then roll those hips from left to right, or whichever way you want. All right, let's go ahead, let's add some counts with that. Hip weights over that left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, roll 7, 8. All right, all 24, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8, bind 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, roll 7, 8. All right, moving on to our last set of counts, and this is where we get to stomp and grind. So we're gonna face our new wall here. So we just did those hip rolls. Now we're gonna take our right foot for a shuffle forward. So we're going to shuffle forward. We're gonna take our left, we're gonna step and pivot turn into that right shoulder, which now we're at our official wall change. Then we're gonna take a left shuffle forward. So shuffle, step. Then we're gonna take that right foot, we're gonna stomp and grind. All right, let's go ahead, put some counts behind that. So we're facing our new wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3, turn 4, shuffle 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, let's put it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, turn 5, 2, 3 and 4, stomp 5, 6, roll 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3, turn 4, shuffle 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, you did it. You finished the tutorial. I hope you liked our dirt road choreo. If you did, leave us a comment below. And if you're ready to dance it out, click the video above and I'll meet you there.